Are you a fan of Kit Kats? Would you like to know more about how they're made? Then you're in luck. In this video, we'll take you inside the factory and show you the process of creating these chocolatey treats. And we don't stop there. What is the process of making Kit Kats, you may ask? From the melting of chocolate to the baking of wafers, we're taking you on a journey through the Kit Kat making process. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized as we reveal the secrets of this classic snack. We'll start with baking. Freshly wafers are cooled on the arch-shaped conveyor. Then these wafers enveloped with a creamy filling before being pieced together in three. The creamy filling is the key to the irresistible taste. Then they are cooled to solidify. Next, the machine assembles the completed wafers. Why are Kit Kats big in Japan? Good luck charm candies. Kit Kats have become a beloved snack in Japan, thanks in part to play on words and their pronunciation. The phrase Kito-kato sounds similar to Kito-katsu, which means good luck, or definitely win. This association has led to the chocolate candy bar being seen as a symbol of good luck, making it a popular choice for those looking for a sweet treat with a touch of extra encouragement. The machine cuts the waffles and moves them on to the next step in the process. Now it's time for the Kit Kat molding process. Chocolate is poured into the Kit Kat mold. Then two machines are utilized to ready the wafers for insertion. Here the chocolate starts rising from above. What is Kit Kat filling made of? The filling between the wafer of a Kit Kat is made from cocoa liquor, sugar, and a small amount of reworked Kit Kat. Then watch as the machine trims away the excess chocolate, leaving only perfection and then later cooled to harden. After Kit Kats harden, they are removed from the mold. What raw materials are in Kit Kats? Sugar, full cream, milk powder, wheat flour, cocoa butter, vegetable fat, emulsifier soy lecithin, cocoa mass, cocoa glucose syrup, emulsifiers, soy lecithin, 476 yeast rising agent, sodium bicarbonate, salt, flavors. Next process is to package Kit Kat. Next, watch as each Kit Kat is individually wrapped with care. Get a glimpse into the process of ensuring the high quality of each and every Kit Kat before they are packaged and shipped out. Why are Kit Kats called Kit Kats? Originally trademarked by Rowntree's company in 1911, apparently named after the Kit Kat Club. Finally, a machine counts and packs them into boxes. The final step in the Kit Kat making process is packaging. After being inspected for quality, the chocolate bars are counted and carefully placed into boxes, ready to be shipped and enjoyed by chocolate lovers everywhere. Are you looking for a way to revolutionize your fish processing operations? Look no further than Merrill, the industry leader in advanced fish processing equipment. From gutting and filleting to portioning and grating, Merrill has the perfect solution for all your fish processing needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and innovative designs, Merrill's equipment will not only increase efficiency and yield, but also enhance the quality of your final product. But that's not all. Merrill also offers a range of software and automation solutions that can be seamlessly integrated with their equipment, allowing for optimal production processes and skyrocketing productivity. Don't just take the word for it, Merrill's equipment is trusted and used by some of the biggest and most reputable fish processing companies in the world. Upgrade your fish processing game with Merrill's reliable, durable, and high-performing equipment, and taste the difference in the quality of your final product. As many of you may ask, what type of fish is this? The answer is tilapia. Tilapia is a delicious and versatile fish that is perfect for any meal of the day. Whether you're looking for a healthy breakfast, a light lunch, or a hearty dinner, tilapia is sure to satisfy. With its mild flavor and flaky texture, it's a favorite among seafood lovers everywhere. Not only does it taste great, tilapia is also known for its nutritional value. It's a lean source of protein and is low in calories, making it the perfect addition to any diet. Next time you're looking for a tasty and healthy meal, be sure to try tilapia. Thanks for watching.